Blogs. A blog is a place where you can publish your views on your website through articles and pictures. With our blogs module, you can write any type of article that relates to your business, product or service. Blogs help in SEO, so it is also considered one of the best modules to promote your business. Before adding a blog, we must have users, categories and statuses configured. And statuses configured. How to add a category? Categories help your visitors to identify what your blog is really about. Add categories to organize your blogs more systematically. Go to Component, Blogs, Categories and click the Add Category button to add a new category. Enter a name for your category. The slug field is optional. A slug is the part of a URL which identifies your category online in an easy-to-read form. Leave this blank for auto-generation. Select an icon for your category. This icon will be displayed on the category's detail page. Click the Browse button to set an image for your category. The image is an optional field. Enter a description. This is the detailed information about your category. Enter meta title, meta keywords, and meta description. These are optional fields, you can fill them for a better SEO ranking. Enter a value for the priority field. You can change the order of your category through the priority field. Enter a lower value to display this category at the top of the list. The hits field displays the number of views on this category. Change this field value to reset the view counter. Select Approved from the Status drop-down field to make this category active. Click the Save button to save your category. How to change status from the Categories page. To change status, select a value from the Status drop-down field. Check the Notify Customer checkbox to send a notification automatically to the user. This is optional. Click the Save button to change the status. To view the Categories page, click the View button. How to add a tag. Tags describe pieces of the blog to users and help search engines catalog your website. Sort your blogs into tags because these taxonomies help you organize your content more systematically. Visit the Manage Tags tab and click the Add Tag button to add a new keyword. Enter a slug. The slug field is optional. Check the status checkbox to make your keyword active and click the Save button. Note: adding a tag is optional, they are also automatically created and updated on a blog save. How to add a new status. Statuses are already added in the system, you can add more statuses to organize your blogs. Visit the Manage Status section and click the Add Status button to add a new status. Give a name to your status. Click the name text as a language string. Check if the name text is a multi-language string. Select a color value for your status. The status text will be displayed in this color throughout the site. Enter a priority value. Check the status checkbox and click the Save button. How to add a blog. This is the place where you write your blog. Click the Add Blog link in the Tabs section to add a new blog. Type a name in the user field to select a user. Details of the selected user will be displayed on the blog's detail page as an author. In other words, we can say that the selected user is the author of the blog. Select categories for your blog. Type a category name in the Categories field to select it from the list. You can select multiple categories. Put the title of your blog in the title field. Enter a slug. The slug field is optional. This is the user-friendly and URL-valid name of your blog. Click the Browse button to set an image for your blog. The image is an optional field. The description field is where you put all the text, images and other content that makes up your new blog. Use the Tiny Ink editor to format the content of your blog. Enter tags in comma-separated values. While adding tags, think of topics that people will want to read more about. Enter meta title, meta keywords, and meta description for SEO purposes. These are the optional field. If you want to redirect your users to an external page, enter the URL in the external URL field. The user can click this link for further reading. The hits field displays the number of views on this blog. Leave this default. Check the featured checkbox to display this blog in the featured block and at the top of the result list. Select Approved from the status drop-down field to make this blog active. Click the Save button to save your blog. Your blog is now live. You can view it by clicking the View button on the Manage Blogs page. How to manage comments. Users can post comments on a blog. This feature can be enabled or disabled through the Settings link. To view all comments, visit the Manage Comments section. As an admin, you can also add a new comment. Click the Add Comment button to add a new comment. You can have hierarchical comments in Clixy. Select a parent to make this comment children of another comment. Leave blank to make a parent comment. Type a name in the user field to select a user. This is the user on whose behalf you are posting the comment. User details will be displayed with the comment. Type a blog name in the blog field. This is the blog on which this comment will be posted. Select rating stars to post a rating. Enter a title for your comment. Type detailed information in the message field. Enter an external URL. This is the link where the user will be redirected on the name click. Select Approved from the status drop-down field to make this comment active and click the Save button. Once a comment is approved, it will automatically be displayed on the blog detail page under the Comments section. Manage favorites. All blogs added to favorites by users are displayed here. You can find and delete them. Manage views. All blogs that users have recently viewed are displayed in the Manage Views section. The counts column represents the number of times a specific blog is viewed from a specific IP address. Manage email templates. A user can share a blog with their friends, family or relatives. The content of the email that will be sent can be modified here. Settings. Here you can change the settings as per your requirements. The details of the options are as follows. Only subscribers can post blogs and comments. The user who bought at least one product can only post blogs. Check this checkbox to limit blog posting to paid users only. Allow PDF. The user can generate a PDF of the blog. Allow comments. Whether users can post comments on a blog or not. Only subscribers can post a comment. Only paid users can post comments on a blog. Only registered users can post a comment. Only registered users can post comments on a blog. Auto-approve comments automatically approve comments on their submission. No need for admin approval. Share via email. Allow users to share a blog via email. Auto-approve tags. Automatically approve tags added by users while adding a blog. You can also change the default statuses to be assigned to blogs and categories on their addition and modification. Change the drop-down fields as per your requirements.